The overall goal of this experiment is to track the deformation of thrust sheets as they move over oblique ramps.
This method can help answer key questions in the field, such as how thrust sheets evolve in complex settings. The main advantages of this technique are that it is simple, inexpensive, and can be compared directly to the field data.
This video shows how to use a push-block sandbox to replicate microscale faults found in the field. Field identification of microscale faults is covered in the text protocol, as is the general construction of the sandbox. To load the sandbox, use standard play sand, which is relatively homogeneous with an average grain size of 0.5 millimeters. Prepare the sand by dyeing half of it. First, fill a 5-gallon bucket a quarter full. Then, mix in enough black food coloring to make the sand a uniform dark green, which is easily distinguishable from the sand's original color. Upon drying the sand as described in the text protocol, load the box with alternating layers of colored and uncolored sand, and ensure that each layer is leveled after it is added. The thicknesses of the sand pack that provides the clearest and most reproducible results should be arrived at empirically. This example shows a 3.5 centimeter sand pack with alternating colors every 0.6 centimeters. Next, gently press a plastic mesh composed of half-inch squares onto the sand to produce a grid.